I got the idea of making Pikachu, but Minecraft. I'm going to be modeling it in Blender, printing it, and painting it. Let's get right into it. Start by adding a cube and scaling it up into a rectangle. Then add another cube for the head, another cube for the eyes and mirror it, and also for the cheeks, and mirror them also. Then the legs, the ears, and bring it to life with some color. Make the base color of the Pikachu yellow, the eyes black, the cheeks red, and the nose black. And the hands and the legs yellow. Same for the ears. And we can't forget the mouth and the tongue. Also, just for the render, make the lines on the back. And just for the render, you can make some hair to make it fluffy. You can also add a pickaxe to make it more Minecraft style. And don't forget the tail. And now that we're done modeling it, it's time to print it. Time to paint it. Here you go, you've made your first ever miniature all by yourself. Here's the final result. Write in the comments what part of the process I should make more precise. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. You can always change your mind, and see you in the next one.